Hey, Shiba Inu holders, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Austin here. Got a couple things I want to share with you in this video. You can see on the screen that SHIB is really consolidating, not doing a whole heck of a lot right now. We've been here for about 7 or 8 days, kind of this very straight line consolidation scenario playing out. Okay, so that's what we're at right now. Not expecting any major considerable movement. Considerable, say the word, Austin, movement. If you haven't already done that, hit that like button below, please. Right now, because the overall market is turned down, and SHIB is kind of similarly doing a same thing, down 2.3% as of the recording of this video. So the title of this video was Locked Up, and this is something I thought was absolutely worth a video, and this is a number that is going to go up. So TVL, total value locked, has surpassed 1.3 million. Expect this number to continue to go up and up and up and up. It is obviously an indicator of rising interest in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Okay, when TVL starts to rise up, it again shows growing interest, and TVL, more than growing interest, it shows confidence. Right, when you see TVL going up, that is a good thing. So expect this number to rise, 3 million, 5, 10 as we continue to roll along. Remember, we've just effectively relaunched the public version of the mainnet launch of Shibarium. We obviously had a little bit of a misstep whenever we launched originally because of, throughput and scalability, and there was a tremendous amount of volume. I think, quite frankly, that the team was not expecting upon launch. But we're back up and running, and we're looking really, really good. So overall, right now, things are quiet, right? And I've talked about this in previous videos, the fact that in September, I think we're going to continue to be quiet. That little move up we had in the last 36 hours was nice because of the grayscale, Bitcoin, ETF loss that the SEC loss, that lawsuit, if you know what I'm talking about. Yep. So that was why we got a bounce up in all of crypto yesterday, where we saw, Bitcoin. I cannot talk today. Where we saw Bitcoin moving back up into an over 28,000. That was a good move. We did not see as much of a bounce in major altcoins like SHIB, but that's not really surprising. The way that the money flows, kind of when money starts to come back into crypto, goes into Bitcoin first, Ethereum, and then to altcoins. So just remember that there's literally kind of a stair step, if you will, a process. Okay. Now, SHIB will be one of the first. Whenever we start to see retail money flowing back in, we will see that come into SHIB, because I've said this all along. SHIB is a gateway crypto from a global standpoint because of the price. It is very, very cheap price per token because of where it is in obviously the top 100. It's number 16 ranked, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's where we're at right this second. And again, we're in this consolidation phase right here. You can see it. We're going to be here, I think, for a little bit longer. Final thought, if you're interested, this is my trading indicator, X1. You can see it's giving you some momentum up, downs. It's basically, my software is the green and the red triggers that you see, giving you insight into when to possible buy, when to sell. We're not having a lot of movement in the chart action right now. This is 4 hours, so every candle you see is 4 hours worth of trading data. But I want to show you this real quickly. Like right here, you can see if you go back to right here, August 23rd, it painted and gave a trigger, a momentum up that was move up. And so that momentum up right there was basically a 20% move up. If you would have bought and sold, that's a 20% return on your investment. Not bad money. That's in, what is that? That's a pretty quick turnaround. Every candle is, like I said, 4 hours. So that's literally August 4th to August 5th. You can see it right here in this blue box right here. So that's a 19% return on investment in less than 24 hours. And then we've got another one right here. You see where this momentum. So basically, after that candle was done right there, all the way over to basically that guy right there is about another 13%. So there's some nice moves, 14% right there. So, north of 30+% in those two swings right there. And that was about a 5-day period. So you're seeing that move up was 5 days. But again, it's easy. Buy when it paints a momentum up trigger, and sell when it paints a momentum down. Now, this is obviously directly correlated to like trading over a period of a day or a couple of days. Nice little incremental, moves that you could have received. And right now we're kind of waiting, quite frankly. What are we waiting on? We're waiting on, when are we going to get, well, we're in a momentum up right here. So right now, if this continues to paint up, then that would have been a nice buy right there. Now, if we continue to roll up and get a momentum down, then we'll wait for the next momentum up right here. And this is on the 4-hour chart. But what my trading indicator does is obviously it takes the blinders off, right? Gives you insight. And there's a link in the description below. Check it out. Takes you to this page. There's a discount code down there. You can basically get this for $37. That's as cheap as you can get. You cannot get an indicator this powerful, this simple to use for that price. I give you a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund policy. So take it for a test spin, run it around, check it out. Got great customer support for you. On the backside, got a thank you page right here that shows you everything you need to know to get set up and running in less than 10 minutes. No reason you shouldn't try this out. You can use this for any and all cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any all cryptos. You can use it anywhere in the world and on any device, mobile, Android, iPhone, desktop, you name it. By the way, it works for stocks too. This is Netflix. You can see it working on the Netflix chart right here, Amazon, Apple, whatever, any major, you can buy and sell the SPY with this, with my trading indicator. Commodities, futures, Forex, it's all there for you if you want to use my software. All right. Links in the description below. I'll see you.